Hello, Saints. There's something I need to share with you. They have been showing and describing and talking about Mr. Pelosi being beaten by a man, but they call him a loner instead of calling him a Trump supporter. So much hate has developed in this country because of Trump. So you ask yourself, why do we have two Americas? Why is there so much hate? Why do those people follow him? He's very persuasive. He should, at some point, tell them he lost the election in 2000 and that he has caused so much problem with all of these cases he sent up to the Supreme Court. It's just too much. And I bet, as in the past, he's not paying these lawyers. Now, the lawyers he has right now was paid up front. But I'm sure they've already spent that money dealing with him. He keeps delaying. He keeps challenging. He keeps going. First he had a new lawyer, then a new judge, and then he had a master. All this hate got to stop. It has to stop. So I'm praying that the Lord will reunite us as one country, starting with the MAGA people. Next, we need the Lord to concentrate on racism. Once Twitter was bought by Elon Musk, all types of hate was put on Twitter that wouldn't have been tolerated by the past owners. So something is going on that you cannot walk out your house and believe as a minority you coming back. It is just ridiculous. So I guess that's all I have to say today. Have a good day and think about it. What else can we do to bring this country together? Now, Roland Martin, one more thing. Roland Martin has a book called White Fear, Browning of America, something like that. But in his book, he's saying that white people are doing the things that they're doing, well, some of them, because they're afraid that minorities' numbers in the United States will soon be greater than the numbers of white people. And they have these ridiculous ideas of what we're going to do to them when they become the minority. Well, this is crazy. It ain't that the blacks going to be greater or the Hispanics going to be greater or the Asians are going to be greater than the number of white people. It would be us combined. We as a combination would have to work as a combined nation, not a separate nation willing to attack white people. So I don't know why they think that. Well, for sure, this is all I have to say. Bye-bye.